Are you a student struggling to make ends meet? Fret not, for we've got some cunning, resourceful, and offbeat strategies to help you live frugally without sacrificing your lifestyle. From utilizing campus resources to meal planning and grocery shopping to cutting costs on housing, we'll be sharing some unique and unconventional tips to help you save money as a student. So sit tight and get ready to take some notes. Utilizing campus resources. Take advantage of student discounts. Many businesses and organizations offer discounts to students. Take the time to research and find out which places offer discounts, and always carry your student ID with you. From movie theaters to clothing stores, you'll be surprised at how much you can save. Use the campus library for free books and resources. Instead of buying expensive textbooks, check them out from the campus library. The library also offers a variety of free resources such as online journals, magazines, and newspapers. Utilize campus events and activities instead of spending money on entertainment. The campus often hosts events such as concerts, lectures, and film screenings that are free for students. Take advantage of these opportunities to save money on entertainment and learn something new. Bonus tip: look for free or low-cost recreational activities on campus such as fitness classes, swimming pools, or even rock climbing walls. Meal planning and grocery shopping. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can make a grocery list that is specific to your needs and avoid overspending on unnecessary items. Another great way to save money is by shopping at discount grocery stores or using apps that offer deals. There are plenty of grocery stores that offer discounted prices on items that are close to their expiration date. Take advantage of these deals and stock up on non-perishable items. Additionally, use apps that offer deals and coupons to save even more money. Another tip is to consider becoming a member of a community-supported agriculture program. By joining a KSA program, you can get fresh, locally grown produce delivered directly to your door and save money on expensive produce at the grocery store. Textbook alternatives. In this chapter, we'll be discussing textbook alternatives. The cost of textbooks can add up quickly, but there are ways to save money on them. One way to save money is by renting textbooks instead of buying them. Many online retailers and campus bookstores offer textbook rental options at a fraction of the cost of buying them. Another way to save money is by looking for digital versions of textbooks. Many textbooks are now available in digital format and can be purchased or rented at a lower cost than the physical book. Lastly, use online resources such as Khan Academy for free educational materials. These resources provide a wide range of educational materials, including videos, lectures, and exercises that can help supplement your education. By utilizing these textbook alternatives, you can save a significant amount of money and still have access to the materials you need for your classes. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to living frugally as a student. Saving on transportation. Whether you're commuting to campus or exploring the city, transportation can be a big expense for students. But with a little bit of creativity, you can save money and still get around. First, take advantage of public transportation. Many cities have discounted fares for students, so be sure to look into this option. Another great way to save money is by carpooling with classmates. Not only will you save money on gas, but you'll also get to know your classmates better. Lastly, consider using a bike or walking instead of driving. Not only is it better for the environment, but it's also a great way to save money and get some exercise. By utilizing these transportation alternatives, you'll be able to save money and still get where you need to go. So next time you're thinking of taking a taxi or an Uber, remember that walking or biking can be a lot more fun and cost-effective. Making money as a student. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Being a student can be financially demanding, but with a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can earn some extra cash to help make ends meet. First, look for on-campus jobs or internships. Many universities have job boards or career services centers that list job and internship opportunities specifically for students. This can be a great way to earn money and gain valuable experience. Another way to make money is by offering your services as a tutor or freelancer. If you have a particular skill or talent, consider tutoring or offering your services as a freelancer in that area. Lastly, sell items you no longer need through online marketplaces. We all have items sitting around our homes that we no longer need. Why not make some money by selling them online? By utilizing these ways of making money, you'll be able to earn some extra cash and gain valuable experience. Remember, as a student, every little bit helps when it comes to finances, so don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore different options. Smart shopping. Shopping can be a lot of fun, but it can also be a big expense. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can save money and still get the things you need. First, look for sales and clearance items. Many stores offer discounts on clearance items, so be sure to check out these sections when you're shopping. Another way to save money is by comparing prices across different stores and online. Before you make a purchase, take the time to research and compare prices to ensure you're getting the best deal. Lastly, invest in quality items that will last a long time. Instead of buying cheap, disposable items, invest in quality items that will last longer and save you money in the long run. By utilizing these smart shopping strategies, you'll be able to save money and still get the things you need. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean you can't enjoy shopping. It just means being smart about it. Creative entertainment. Entertainment can be a big expense, but with a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can have a great time without breaking the bank. First, have a movie night with friends at home instead of going to the theater. Pop some popcorn, invite your friends over, and enjoy a movie night at home. Another way to save money and have fun is by exploring nature and taking advantage of outdoor activities. Whether it's hiking, biking, or picnicking, the great outdoors offers endless opportunities for entertainment. Lastly, try new hobbies that don't require a lot of money, from knitting to photography. There are plenty of hobbies that can be enjoyed without spending a lot of money. By utilizing these creative entertainment strategies, you'll be able to have a great time without spending a lot of money. Remember, frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing fun, it just means being resourceful and finding new ways to enjoy yourself. Cutting costs on housing. Housing can be a big expense, but with a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can save money and still have a comfortable place to call home. First, look for off-campus housing options that are more affordable. Consider looking for a room for rent or a shared apartment instead of living alone. Another great way to save money is by sharing an apartment or house with roommates. Not only will you save money on rent and bills, but you'll also have built-in friends to hang out with. Lastly, consider living in a smaller space or a less expensive area. Instead of living in a large apartment or house, consider downsizing to a smaller space or living in a less expensive area. By utilizing these housing alternatives, you'll be able to save money and still have a comfortable place to call home. Remember, frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It just means being resourceful and finding new ways to save money.